Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesmate CRM. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your DocuSign account to your Salesmate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Salesmate CRM to your DocuSign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to send out your contracts for signature. And by linking your DocuSign into your Salesmate, you can send those documents out without having to leave your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesmate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesmate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your DocuSign account to your Salesmate CRM, here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile initial. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on setup. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on this button, app and add-ons. It looks like 4 little squares. Once you do that, you'll see this menu, installed and available. You want to click on available apps. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just scroll through until you see the DocuSign logo right here. Go ahead and click on install. Okay, so here you can go ahead and activate your DocuSign for contact, company, or deals. And then also you can adjust the settings. I'm going to make it available to everyone in my company. Here you can go ahead and add a signer. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on save. Okay, once you click on save, it's going to say created successfully. So let me go back to installed apps. Okay, so here we are back in installed apps. You can see DocuSign is now installed. Okay, next what you need to do is go to any of the modules that DocuSign is set up for. So let me go back here to setup. Okay, so I'm going to click on contacts. And what we can do is we can just go right into the contact. Okay, so once you're here in the contact, over here to the right, you're going to see this little widget, DocuSign right here. We can click on activate. Now, if you don't see the DocuSign widget for some reason, you can go ahead and add the widget in. So just scroll to the top, and where you see this button action, click on there and then click on customize layout. Okay, once you're here in the customize layout, off to the left, you're going to see widgets. So all the ones that are in green, those are the widgets that we've added in. But if we want to scroll down, you're going to look for DocuSign, and then just grab the DocuSign widget and just drag it on over and drop it to where you want it. So for example, right there. And then click on save here on the top right. Here you can go ahead and name your default layout if you want. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now we have the DocuSign widget. Actually, I have it in 2 places because I already had it. And all you're going to do is click on the green activate button. Okay, so next DocuSign is going to open up a browser. So you're going to want to log into your DocuSign account. Okay, entered in my DocuSign email login. Okay, next DocuSign is going to let you know that Salesmate CRM is trying to get access for e-sign. If you're okay with that, click on allow access. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that the DocuSign is active. So we can go ahead and click here on add. Okay, so here you can go ahead and upload a document. So just grab a document from your computer, type out the subject, write out the message if you want, and then you're going to send it to this person right down here, and then send to DocuSign. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your DocuSign to your Salesmate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.